What are you doing?
I was watching TikTok. They had an experiment with an egg. They covered it up with regular toothpaste. And then they put it in the bowl. And they covered it up with another bowl. And they covered it up for 24 hours. And then it turns into a little squishy ball.
To me, it looks like you just killing time.
Why not? What else do you want me to do? Go to Disney World? So, I'm gonna do it. Wasting my toothpaste. Okay.
It's my toothpaste.
It's my toothpaste. You stole it. It smells minty fresh.
I got some damn cream.
This is a messy job.
So what is it supposed to do?
It turns it into a rubber ball, like a squishy ball. One of those balls you can just squeeze.
Man, you better be glad you're doing that with a brown egg. If that's one of my white eggs, well, I'm mad as hell because I'm going to have me an omelet tomorrow.
You got enough eggs. They actually had them in the store. For once.
Thanks, puppy.
Make sure it's covered. This is hard to do.
So how long you got to leave it?
24 hours.
So tomorrow,
What time is it now?
6:51.
Okay. It's covered.
Yeah, put saran wrap.
Nope.
Cover with the bowl.
Just cover it with a bowl. So I'm gonna put it in the corner over there by my ninja.
Oh, you don't have to put it in the fridge?
Just leave it on the counter. I'm gonna put a little sign on there that says 6:51 p.m. And then tomorrow I'm going to uncover it and I'm gonna squeeze it over the sink because I don't think it's gonna work.
Want me to be the guinea pig?
Yep. We'll see you tomorrow.
See y'all tomorrow. 24 hours later.
Okay. Put this on the bowl. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Put it in a little bowl after you cover it in toothpaste for 24 hours. And then it's supposed to turn into like a little rubber ball.
So I don't pick it up?
You can take the top bowl off.
Oh. Okay. Now what?
I guess you take it to the sink and rinse it off. And it's supposed to be like a rubber ball. Don't look like it. It looks just like it did when I put it in there.
Okay. So let's see. I gotta rinse this off?
I would.
I gotta use this on my teeth.
At least you don't even have a piece. You'll be all right.
I don't know what this shit like. I feel like it's gonna be an egg. Alright, so what I do now?
Now, squeeze it.
You see it?
Right here, right in there.
Oh! oh!
work.
Man, look at this mess, man.
Ew.
Look at this.
Oh.
Look at this.
Ew.
So it
It's on your
did.
shirt.
It did not work.
It did not work.
So, and I was skeptical about this the whole time. I was like, "There's no way this is gonna happen." She kept saying, "I saw it on TikTok and I saw it here and I saw it there." I said, "It's probably a joke. Like they're probably telling you that so you can be the idiot and go out there and do it." So I'm the idiot. I think she knew it too.
I didn't know.
Ain't that something?
Oh well.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I didn't enjoy it. I could have ate that egg. I thought it was gonna be a rubber ball like you said it was gonna be.
That's what they said.
Oh, come on, man. You believe that?
I did.
Anyway, we're gonna try some more tricks like this. Hopefully it actually works next time. Bye for now.